Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Today I am going to explain about the upcoming possible trading zone of natural gas futures during the week of June 4, 2018. Let me explain the movement of current position of natural gas in a daily fan Gantt chart pattern. Here you can see that we have seen an opening of natural gas future prices almost at the same level on the first trading session of this week. Now the natural gas futures are moving at this level, and I find the US weather pattern of favoring the natural gas bulls during this week. Now the natural gas futures will try to break this uptrend line, and they will try to come over up to this level, I mean 3.077. If we are able to stay above this level, we might face resistance at this level around $3.126, and then second resistance level will be around $3.231. But I find that natural gas futures will try to sustain their movement around this level. If they sustain above $3.117, we can see a shoot up of natural gas futures to break this line, and we will be moving about the level of $3.333, where we have third resistance level for natural gas futures. Now let us have a more closer look on the natural gas futures prices in the same daily chart, which I call it a territorial zones for natural gas futures. Here you can see this is bull zone, this is bull's border. As you have already seen chart pattern during my last several analysis, and I find this support and resistance levels, which I have tried to explain as a bull's zone and the bear's zone. You can see that this chart pattern always remain very successful in prediction of natural gas futures prices movement. Here you can see we faced resistance two times. Then when we crossed this resistance level, we saw a straight away shoot up to the latest peak levels at $3.638 levels. From there we straight came downward up to bearish trapping zone. We stayed here in this zone, but the natural gas futures could not break this bearish trapping zone towards more downward levels. From here, natural gas futures were in a uptrend zone, and they moved above this uptrend line, from where they came downward a little, again touch this bearish trapping zone. From here we are moving straight away on an uptrend between this top uptrend line, what I call it a second uptrend line, and this is a support line. This is also an uptrend line. We are moving in between these two trend lines, and currently the natural gas futures are here at this level of 2.965. No doubt we have seen an opening on the first trading session at almost at the same level, but you can observe that now the natural gas futures are in no man's land. This is the zone where natural gas futures gain all the potential to shoot upward straight away. They try to cross bearish border. The first they have to come above this level of $3.043. If the natural gas futures are able to sustain above this level, if they sustain here, they will just straight away shoot up, and they will try to cross the bearish border. Here you can see that we are still moving upon an uptrend line. We are just moving above this line. No doubt we came downward a little, but now we are still moving above this line. During the month of June and July, natural gas futures find a lot of volatility. So during this volatility, if we are able to maintain above this uptrend line, we will definitely be witnessing a sharp shoot, because we will try to enter the bearish trading zone. Now let us have a look what I expect during this zone. I have tried to define this my desired movement, expected trading zones for natural gas futures. Here you can see these zones in a daily chart pattern. You can see that natural gas futures are trying, right now they are trading at this level. They will try to come over above this uptrend line. They will try to remain between these two uptrend lines during this period. So this will be my entry point if they come down up to the level of $2.948, where they have strong support. Now let us have a closer look on this expected trading zones in a 4-hour chart. As you can see, that first support level is this one. This level is $2.939, where once again we can take a good bounce. Immediate resistance is at $2.990, which we have once tried to break, but we could not. This time, if we successfully break this resistance level, no doubt that the natural gas futures will be moving above the level of $3.159, and I am sure if the natural gas futures sustain above the level of $3.159, soon we will find a new attempt of natural gas futures of this season.